The Rogers Gateway not blinking white issue means your gateway is stuck in a boot loop or synchronization failure. Instead of the LED blinking white to indicate normal startup, it stays solid white, showing it can't connect to Rogers servers. Instead of the LED blinking white, indicating normal startup, it stays solid white, meaning it can't connect to Rogers' servers. The boot process involves a self-check, loading firmware, and syncing with the network. If it gets stuck, your internet won't work. This usually happens because of software issues like corrupted or outdated firmware or hardware problems. The good news is, 90% of these issues are software related and can be fixed with simple troubleshooting steps. First, try a simple power cycle. Unplug your Rogers gateway, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This often clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, perform a factory reset using the pinhole button on the back of the gateway. Press and hold for 15 seconds and release. If you're still facing problems, check Rogers' website or app for outages in your area. If none of these steps work, contact Rogers Tech Support. It's possible you may need a firmware rollback or hardware replacement. As a trend, upgrading to a newer mesh-capable gateway, like the XB8, may reduce future boot issues due to improved reliability and decentralized syncing.